Good morning to all. About myself, I am Jyoti Rani, KGB Gamirapet, District, Rajana Sisila. Okay, children, how are you? I hope you are keeping well, children. Children, we have a topic in 7th class, reading maps of different kinds. Reading maps of different kinds. Children, in previous classes, we learnt about the maps like 5th and 6th classes. In 5th class, we learnt about the differences between the map and globe. Okay, children. In 6th class, we learnt about the features of the map. In this year, we learnt and read maps that showing height. Okay, children. Children, the world we live in is so full of varieties. Example, mountains. Example, mountains, hills, deserts, seas, coasts, and deserts, snow-covered regions, snow-covered regions. Okay, children, and children, look at the pictures. Look at these pictures. These are the 4 different type of pictures. One of the picture is evergreen forest in Western Ghats, and second one is the beach in Brazil, and third one is the oasis, and fourth one is the ice-covered continent. These are the 4 different type of places. Children, why is there so much variations? How does this affect the lives of the people? Okay, children. To study and understand these questions, we need to take the help of reading maps of different kinds. Okay, children. We have many uses of the maps. We have many uses of the maps. Uses of the maps. Children, maps tells us how high or low land it is. High or low land. The land is high or low. This we can show the map. And second one is the rainfall places. Different rainfall places. High rainfall places or low rainfall places we can show the map. And third one is hot or cold. Okay, children, hot or cold. The place is hot or cold. We can show the temperate maps. Okay, children. And fourth one is the crops. Crops. Various kinds of maps. Various kinds of crops grown in various places. Which crops are grown in which areas we know, and we can show the maps. Crops maps, children. Okay. And fifth one is the forest. Forests. We have different type of forests. We have different type of forests. Children, one of the forest is temperate forest. Temperate forest. And second one is rainfall forest. And third one is taiga forest. And fourth one is evergreen forest. Evergreen forest. Children, these are the uses of the maps. Okay, the place is how high or low land, and different type of rainfall places. The place is hot or cold, and different type of crops and different type of forest. We can show the maps. These are the uses of the map, children. Children, in 6th class, we already learned about the features of the map. Features of the map. What are the features of the map, children? Okay, you are right, children. One of the feature is directions, and second one is scale, and third one is symbols. Okay children, directions. How many directions are there children? Okay, you are right children. East, north, south, east and west. These are the main directions. And we have intermediate directions also. We have. What are the intermediate directions children? Northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. These are the directions children. The second one is scale. What is the use of the scale in the map? The scale is what is the use of the scale? The scale we use it in the map. The scale is actual, reduce the actual distance children. And third one is the symbols. Children, can anyone say what are the symbols? When we are using the symbols, we use the symbols to show physical objects. To show physical objects. Physical objects on the map children. Okay children, what are the symbols? The one of the symbol is point. And second one is line. Line. Third one is area. Okay children, if we are asked to show Delhi in the map of India, we will mark and we will mark a point and label it as Delhi. If we are asked to show Delhi in the map of India, we will mark a point and label it as Delhi. And second one is line. What is the second one? Second one is line. Okay children, to show river of Manjira, we draw a line along the coast. We draw a line along the coast children. And for the railway line, we will draw a track line to represent it. To draw a track line to represent it. Third one is the area. Okay children, in Telangana map, we will show the Rajanna Sisila district. We demarcate it its boundary and mark it. We demarcate it and demarcate its boundary and mark it. Okay children, these are the features of the map: direction, scale, symbols. Okay children, next generally we can divide it into maps are two types. Generally we can divide it into maps are two types. What are the children? What are they? One of the physical map. One of the physical maps. And second one is the political maps. Political maps. Okay children, physical map. Political maps are showing the area. With its boundary. Physical maps are showing the area with its boundary. And political maps are showing the landforms, different type of landforms. We already learnt in the 6th class landforms children. What are they? Okay children, we are good. Political maps are showing the landforms and depicts its heights. Okay. Landforms. What are the landforms? Mountains. And second one is plains. And third one is plains. These are showing the these are showing the physical map. Okay children, maps are majorly we can divide it into two types. One of the political map and second one is the physical map. Political maps are showing the area with its boundary and physical physical maps are showing landforms and depicts the height. Okay, children. What are the landforms? Mountains, plains, plains. Children, look at this physical map. Children, this is the physical map. This is the Nimpuru village. These are the mountains, means hills and plains. We have used the different colors. Okay, children, are you understand this topic? Okay, good children. I hope you are all understand this topic. Thank you.